and we're super excited about our newest branding series. So we're going to dive deep into these different brands in the industry, and hopefully we get to dive deep into your brand. And we got brand bull here, Rachael Cohen. She's a branding strategist with us today. And where are we going?
We are going to Chick-fil-A.
Hello folks, we're on episode 1 of our first branding series. So what we're going to do is deep dive into these different brands and talk about it. We have Rachael Cohen with Brand Bold.
All right, so we are jumping into Chick-fil-A today. And I'm super excited because I'm so passionate about this brand, not only for their logo and their look and feel, but they have delicious food. So Chick-fil-A, it actually started back in the 40s as the Dwarf Grill, and then in the 60s is when it became Chick-fil-A. So why do we even think that it was called Chick-fil-A? If you really look at it, it's a kind of an odd name. So they had like the best like Chick-fil-A's around, and it was like the best. So they wanted to say that it was like an A. So the first logo iteration was Chick-fil-A, and the A looked like a great A. So they put a chicken there, and Chick-fil-A, grade A, black and red. As the years progressed, they simplified it, and they made it a lot simpler, a lot more recognizable, as you'll see. They went from black and red to like all red, and they simplified the chicken as they went. And it's really cool because the font even, it's not like in your face, even though it's like a red logo.
I noticed too, just looking at your, the different logo variations throughout the years, that it kind of maintained its look and feel.
Yeah.
But they just did little changes to make it more fun, yes. I think. And I think at the end of the day, the Chick-fil-A brand is, it's like in the last 5 years, it kind of just took off. And like, I didn't know it even started way back in is it 80s or 60s? Wow.
And I think the biggest and coolest thing is, if you really look at the original logo and the logo now, the brand would not be near as strong today if it wasn't for like the branding, iterations that they've gone through over the years, even though they've kind of been slight. Even get rid of like all of the actual words and just the chicken, you know exactly what it is. And that is a very powerful brand, and it's a very powerful logo mark.
So this is just a super cool brand, and we just enjoy some lunch here. So Rachael, what do you think of Chick-fil-A?
Oh, I love Chick-fil-A. I was almost gonna play in the playpen for a little bit, but
awesome.
Didn't. So you guys have seen this. Follow, share, comment, all the fun stuff. And we also eventually want you to send in your logo so we can take a look at it, see the meaning behind it, and kind of critique it.
So you can send it to the link below. So Toby's going to put down here, hey@j29creative.com. And what we're going to do is we're going to evaluate, rate your logo, and look into your brand as well. And maybe you'll be on one of these episodes.